Ingredients: 1 cup Nutella, 2 eggs, half a cup all-purpose flour. Let us know in the comments if you like the recipe. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the Nutella and eggs until you get a smooth batter. Add the flour and mix well. Pour the batter into a greased and floured baking pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool before cutting and serving. If you like it, leave a comment below and access the recipe written on the first link in the comment.